Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum dan selamat pagi. So for minggu yang ke-9 ni, kita akan go through tajuk related to the digital asset management system for enterprise. So kalau basically when we look at the word of enterprise, it's referred to some sort of project ataupun something that related to business, because when we talk about the enterprise, dia ada orang kata pelbagai kan, dia referring to the organisation ataupun macam some sort contoh what is enterprise mean in business. Okay, jadi as for the content, untuk this chapter, we are going to cover related to the DAM for enterprise, departmental, work group, and also desktop solution, and also the DAM enterprise for the asset repository. Baik, then kita lihat semula kepada digital asset. Okay, when we are talking about digital asset, normally of course kita akan refer semula kepada platform that allow brands to store, organize, find, share, publish and retrieve digital content. It allow you to create a centralized digital library that is accessible by internal and also external stakeholders from that organization or your company. Okay, macam dekat sini dia tunjukkan gambar images, video, design file, document, PDFs, presentation, all the marketing collateral. So it's a digital asset, simplify a digital file you own the right to. You ada orang kata authority kepada bahan tersebut, which is utilized in one way or another way within your company or organization. So as mentioned, this could, for example, be files such as image, video ataupun document. Jadi benda ni, all these things, when we're talking about digital asset management, it allows all these brands inside your organization to be stored, to be organized, to be find, to share, to publish and retrieve digital context. Jadi from this process, it's allow you to create a centralized digital library that is accessible by internal or external stakeholders from that organization or company. So you can enable your employees, your partners, your clients, your vendors and others to control your digital asset. Digital asset ni, you are very clear with the digital asset ni, dia including lah photos, creative files, videos, documents, presentation, audio and many more. As you guys realize lah, the implementation of this DAM or digital asset management sebenarnya helping the organization to drive efficient in distributing content across the organization. Maknanya dia ada single sumber, ada single source of truth of your media assets where you can allow your internal and external user to store, to manipulate, to share and analyze all the brand content. That is the wonderful things about the digital asset management. Okay, macam kat gambar ni kan you boleh tengok, maknanya by one touch ataupun with one control, you manage to reach the internal and external stakeholders that is related with your organization. Jadi kalau kita lihat what is a digital asset management, normally dia referring to the management solution related. It's a software ataupun system solution that provide a systematic approach to efficiently storing, organizing, managing, retrieving and also distributing and organization digital asset. So dia boleh digunakan both lah for a business process and a form of information management technology or a digital asset management system. As you guys lihat sekarang with the current situation dengan teknologi kita yang sedang berkembang with all the digitized kata document, photos, files and etc. Most of the organization really need this digital asset management solution system in helping them to organize and rearrange their asset. Okay. Jadi what is a digital asset management system? Kan bila kita dah cerita pasal digital asset, now kita look into the digital asset management system. Apa dia digital asset management system? Okay, sekejap. Alright, digital asset management system is a digital asset management system that allows you to manage all your media asset in a centralized location. It empowers your team to organize, to file, to store and share the essential brand asset in no time. Effective management of your visual content helps your team publish well-organized product information that eventually improve the customer's experience significantly. Remember last time when we do the brainstorming, the discussion about your project, I've been asking each group related to what type of software ataupun software or system yang akan digunakan oleh you guys in order for you to complete your project. Ingat tak? Jadi dekat situ there are a group yang bila saya go through ada yang come up with the Cloudinary, Airtable, Resource Space, Vidya, Smartsheet, Binder, Filecom, Piston, Widen and many more. So actually this management system ataupun software ni ada banyak pilihan. You can choose whether you would like to have the open source yang orang kata perisian yang memang sedia ada yang tidak dikenakan any charges, but you need to know lah how to handle. And there are also a management system yang disediakan but you have to subscribe, means that the company need to come up with a budget in order for them to have that system. And then normally sistem yang selalunya being subscribed ni dia ada dia punya team to maintain and to handle the clients. So dia nampak lebih proper and kemas. So why is digital asset management important to organization? Kenapa you need this digital asset? Yeah, of course. Benda ni when we are talking about today's, especially in the orang kata business enterprise, in the dalam orang kata situasi organisation yang need for the promotion, marketing, need to be well known, need to be known by others dekat luar sana. It is very important for you to orang kata to have this them kerana it is streamline all the files, reposing and also creation. Jadi dia ada flexibility to create an asset, to do the editing for the existing asset and distribute the required asset rapidly through multiple output channels by developing a robust DAM solution. Jadi orang kata benda ni memang the streamline file repurposing ni and creation sangat membantu. And then it also can reduce file search time. Jadi DAM, which is the digital asset management, allow you to use meta tag for each asset file. Jadi it simplifies the life of a user as they find what they need faster. So the retrieval process tu lebih pantas. It also eliminates the requirement of creating unfound asset. And then it's also for the accuracy of the analytics. Apa maksud dia accuracy? This dam makes it easier to collect, to interpret and manage data from the various sources. Jadi dia empowering the company with a powerful analytics. The solution allows them to make accurate prediction and it boleh orang kata take the effective business decision. That is the wonderful thing about the accuracy of the analytic. Maknanya kita boleh, kita ada data untuk kita analyse which file that orang kata ada high demand yang diperlukan, yang ada potential and demand from the clients etc. And then it's also can helps the organization in order for it to enhance their brand's consistency. So normally DAM is highly used by companies specializing in content production and also marketing teams. Jadi enabling all your specialists, iaitu yang orang kata yang ada secara internal ataupun external, with the same material, you can easily maintain the brand consistency and also the style across all the different sales and marketing channels you are using for brand awareness and also promotion. Okay, nampak dekat situ. And then next is related to the effective collaboration. So these dams allows for the pelaksanaan or the smoothest and fastest data distribution and also facilitates a set of tools for managing tasks. Contohnya macam assigning tasks to enterprise individuals, setting up the deadlines and many more. It's also help you to define the responsibilities of everyone and improve the collaboration amongst colleagues and teams who work remotely. Nampak kat situ. Jadi maknanya dia whether it's okay whether you berada di office ataupun you are bekerja secara remote or maybe work from home or your hometown, tidak ada masalah in retrieving ataupun to get access to the certain asset that you need. Okay. Next, the important, kenapa dia significant, it is because the accelerated processes. So these dams saves a lot of time for your employee that they spend on searching for the need asset and eliminates most of the additional tasks related to finding an asset. Benda dah teratur, benda dah being organized nicely, dah ada tagging dia, ada dia punya coding, it's easy for you. So you can eliminate those process yang hassle, yang orang kata you can't find the data dan sebagainya. After all, with this dam, you can also generate a report. So dia memang helpful to the many business operation. It is also improved time to market, better collaboration and streamline process, accelerate the product time to market, updates, campaign dan sebagainya. It helps you gain a competitive edge and improve products by considering customers' feedback. That is the wonderful thing about having them. Okay. Jadi kita kat sini for this week we would like to see what is enterprise digital asset management. Jadi kalau kita lihat this enterprise digital asset management, traditionally enterprise digital asset management has been described as a system used by bigger brands to manage all types of asset that they use, including their brand and marketing assets. So in general, An enterprise DEM can be described as a tool that helps bigger corporation uh, to store, to share, to organize and manage asset such as contohnya macam images, photo, document, video dan sebagainya. For a brand, this might include content such as marketing materials, product icon, logos and the similar asset. Okay, that is orang kata bila we are talking about the digital asset, enterprise digital asset management. Jadi it's the process. Sebenarnya dia berbalik semula kepada yang asal, which is this DEM is the process of organizing, storing, sharing digital media asset. Jadi with the rise ataupun orang kata the advancements of the technology dan terjadinya all the digital media dan sebagainya, we do need them to manage this asset. It has become increasingly important to businesses. Jadi with this enterprise asset management, it's easy for you to do the requisition, configuration, the stock maintenance, discovery, installation, relocation, reparation, reassignment, decommissions, and also the technology upgrade. Di enterprise digital asset management, kalau kat sini you lihat dia this EDM ni is the process of managing this asset at scale. Dia adalah dia punya orang kata measurement, pengukuran yang mana all this thing mesti ada dia punya return of investment. It helps organization make the most of their digital media asset and maximize their return of investments, because we are talking about business. Bila kita bercakap berkenaan dengan enterprise, about the organization and businesses, of course in whatever tindakan ataupun aktiviti yang dibuat, it must look ataupun diukur, also dilihat the return of investment. Jadi dekat situ kita akan melihat the asset life cycle, macam mana store the creation to wujud storing sehingga dia retrieval dan sebagainya, the work order, the decision making being made by having this EDM, and then the report and analytic. Macam tadi kan, the important things yang saya kata tu kerana dia membantu organisasi dari sudut memberi the accurate analysis dan analytic. And then of course for the employee safety, not to say employee sahaja, sebenarnya for the organisation juga, sebab not everyone can have access to all the to the your DEM system. And all this process sebenarnya dilihat untuk ataupun diukur through your return of investment. Jadi it's very clear, this digital asset management is the process of organizing, storing and sharing digital media asset. Okay, yang mana ianya membantu organisation in keeping their asset safely. Jadi macam saya kata tadilah, this enterprise digital asset management, of course dia describe berkenaan dengan sistem yang digunakan by bigger brands to manage all types of asset yang mereka gunakan, including the brands and also marketing asset. So secara generalnya, an enterprise DEM can be described as tool that helps bigger corporation in the process of DEM Jadi dia sebenarnya banyak memberikan orang kata benefit ataupun feedback yang bagus terhadap penggunaannya. Jadi why do people need enterprise digital asset? Sebab kita berada dalam dunia kata yang memang very ada teknologi yang very kata bagus dan sebagainya. In this digital age lah kita kata, ataupun digital era, the companies generate vast amounts of digital content. That is why the kata not only people but also the organization or the big companies, they need this enterprise digital asset management solutions or systems in order for them to keep their assets that have certain value proper. Jadi dekat situ dia orang kata dah proses tu telah di orang kata, instead of you put the all these assets scattered, very difficult for you to get access. Kalau you need to have access to the asset, you kena pergi ke office dan sebagainya. But today with this DAM system, you can also get the asset ataupun retrieve the asset remotely from outside the say for example organisation, campus dan sebagainya. Dia actually helping a lot lah in the time spent berkenaan dengan manual task dan sebagainya. Jadi what is enterprise digital asset management? Is a system used to store, organize and manage digital asset of an enterprise. So these include images, videos, documents, audio files and other digital content. So DAM systems provide an enterprise with a centralized platform to store and manage their digital asset. So dekat sini it helps to ensure that these digital assets are kept secured, organized and up to date. Kan itu yang sangat penting sebenarnya sekarang ni, kita nak benda tu being organized, easy to retrieve, and the most of very important ialah benda tu is up to date, accurate with the time bila kita access to that system. Jadi kalau bercakap berkenaan dengan sistem, saya rasa you guys already know because you pun dah do the selection of the software ataupun system that you are going to use for your main project. Okay. So why do people need enterprise digital asset management? This one tadi saya dah covered. It is because of the digital ages. Okay. Jadi ada vast amount of digital content dan sebagainya. So bila all this digital asset grows, it's become increasingly difficult to manage, to store and to access them. You kata, bahan-bahan saya scattered all over lah. Ada yang dekat hard disk, ada yang dekat telefon, ada yang dekat laptop dan sebagainya. But with this ataupun bila dekat laptop ataupun desktop CA, CB ataupun CC. But when we do have this DAM system, benda tu akan being centralized, can be accessed by all the stakeholders of the organisation, sama ada internal ataupun external. Jadi why do people need enterprise digital asset management? Again, because dia nak kata streamline their workflows and reduce for the time spent on the manual tasks. Okay. For example, macam daripada you spend kata berhari-hari looking for the all the photos untuk sebuah event tu, kalau you dah ada satu sistem tu, by just with one click ataupun one tagging ataupun one keywords dan sebagainya, you can easily retrieve all the files, documents, pictures yang related to your project lah. This is not only save time but also increases productivity and improve the quality of work. Why do people need enterprise digital asset management? So another advantage of enterprise digital asset management that it helps companies to ensure the brand consistency. This one across all the digital channel, jadi dia dapat maintain dia punya orang kata brand for their products by providing employees with access to approved digital asset. Company can ensure that their brand is represented consistently no matter where the content is used. Maknanya siapa pun yang menggunakan bahan ataupun data tu dia akan mendapat bahan yang accurate, maklumat yang accurate, tepat dan up to date. Orang kata tak adalah nanti katalah si A ni bila dia look for these things dia dapat macam ni, yang si B dapat macam ni. With this kata enterprise digital asset management, benda tu dah being centralized, can be updated dan it is consistent to be used by orang kata semua. Jadi whoever the internal or external stakeholders yang kata looking forward to the kata bahan, brand dan sebagainya akan mendapat the standard one ataupun the asset yang sama yang telah di updated kan. So how does them work for an enterprise? Macam mana? So DAM system work by providing enterprises with an efficient way to store, to organize and manage their digital assets. So this can include the images, videos, documents, audio file and other digital content. So the DAM system stores this digital asset in an organized and also secured manner, allowing user to quickly and easily access to the assets that they need. So additionally, DAM system enable user to share digital asset with others, track the usage of digital asset and collaborate on the project. Why is important to manage your digital asset? Kenapa? Kenapa you nak kena manage your digital asset? Macam tadi for the enterprise tu dia dah kita tunjuklah yang dia nak the brand consistency. Whoever, siapa pun access dia akan dapat maklumat yang sama. Dia akan dapat bahan yang sama. Dia akan dapat info yang sama. So managing your digital asset is important for a number of reasons. Of course, it helps to ensure they are kept secure and organized. So it helps to prevent the unauthorized access to the digital asset as well as maintain their accuracy and quality. Kat sini lah tadi related to the brand consistency. Maknanya they are going to have the accurate and very quality data information daripada this DAM system. Selain daripada itu, it also helps to ensure that users are able to quickly and also easily access the asset that they need. Jadi dia akan dapat menjimatkan banyak masa dekat situ with the very because it is very organized. And finally, managing digital asset actually helps to ensure the enterprises are able to track the use of their digital asset as well as collaborate on project. Itu yang kata yang paling utama. So then who needs enterprise digital asset management? So this enterprise digital asset management is suitable for the organization of all sizes and also industry. Kata especially for the businesses that really ataupun heavily on the digital media, contohnya macam Astro Prima, lagi apa macam Awani dan sebagainya, because mereka menyimpan orang kata bahan-bahan yang dalam bentuk digital media. Besides that, such as marketing and advertising agencies, media and entertainment companies, and other creative organization. Uh, tak dinafikan lah, it's not only the industries yang heavily kata macam marketing, advertising, the entertainment, media companies. But we in the kata macam kita kan dalam academic industries also needs our digital media being kept securely and consistently, because today the scholars need to access to all this information. So it is also used by enterprise level organization that have a large number of digital assets such as corporate or educational institution. Jadi dekat sini dia ini saya tunjuklah dia punya main function of the enterprise EAM software. Ini salah satu contoh lah. Maknanya dekat situ dia ada dia punya asset life cycle management. Maknanya dia adalah dia punya jangka waktu hayat bahan tersebut. Starting daripada dia punya creation, dia punya production until lah dia punya warranty management. And then it's also have the supply chain management, iaitu it's look from the aspect of the demand planning, the inventory management, materials management, procurement dan sebagainya. The core of this EAM software ni, saya bagi contoh, it is of course lah dia analytics, ada asset registry, compliance, financials, master data management. They keep all the data. It helps in monitoring. Okay, dia maknanya dia ada Internet of Things, the mobility, the operational sensor dan sebagainya. And of course, it has the orang kata dia memang maintenance planning and scheduling. Dia sentiasa orang kata di being updated dan sebagainya. And then saya just nak bagi you all gambaran between the differences. Kadang-kadang kita confuse between the enterprise, which is the digital asset management, and also CMS, which is the content management system. Content management system ni dia refer kepada web-based application used to create, manage and store digital content. A CMS is used to manage web content such as blogs, articles, and other web pages. It is typically used by webmaster to edit, organize, and publish content to a website. Contohnya, macam you guys can go to the https www.kppim.uitm.edu.my. That is the content management system. Dia melibatkan all the content yang dipublish di website. Manakala for them is an enterprise digital asset management system is referring ataupun is used to manage all the digital assets such as macam images, videos, audio files, document and other digital content. Dia digunakan to organize, to store and share this asset across the multiple department. Kalau dalam orang kata sebuah organisation, kita ada few department. Contohnya macam kalau dalam education, kita ada registry department, kita ada financial department, kita ada faculties, ada few faculties dekat situ, departmental, and then we do have the IT department, HR department, we do have library department. Jadi all over all this departmental akan ada banyak actually digital asset that available in that organization. Jadi when we do have the digital asset management system, all these thing akan di-manage, akan di-secured, akan di-updated dalam this DAM system. Jadi all the departments mental yang saya mention tadi, kesemua mereka can have the access to this digital asset management system lah. It depends lah pada dia punya kata the license yang mereka dapat. Adakah dia hanya boleh akses kalau macam contoh the HR akses hanya kepada HR info sahaja, ataupun they can have access to the all information yang berkaitan. Contohnya macam say for example library dengan finance dengan HR saya bagi kalau library dengan finance, normally library are going to do purchasing. Dia akan beli buku, dia akan measure, akan ada invoice, akan ada PO, akan ada quotation dan sebagainya. So they need a place to file all these things instead of dalam orang kata hard copy file. It's better dia masukkan dalam bentuk digital. And the finance people yang ada authority to endorse all these things can have access to all this lah, the quotation. Jadi benda tu akan dapat transparent, lebih mudah for them instead of orang kata secara physically you have to naik tangga pergi ke finance department to get the approval dan sebagainya. Just by with one click you can share the contents, the digital content, you can get the approval dan sebagainya, and you can proceed with the next steps to do. Jadi benda tu kalau dalam organisasi dilihat dia membantu and share this asset across multiple departments and teams. It's used by businesses to streamline the management of their digital asset and to ensure the compliance with the copyright and other regulation. Well, for this CMS yang mau kata dia yang berkonsepkan web-based application, dia memanglah di-create to manage and store the digital content, tetapi it is orang kata lebih kepada for the info and viewing of the targeted user dekat sana. Tapi dia bukannya data ataupun aset yang valuable digunakan oleh kata part of this organisation to do their activities. Right? Jadi kat sini kalau ni okay. This is the definition related to the enterprise systems lah, berkenaan dengan kalau enterprise system dekat sini the definition referring to the large scale software packages that are able to track and control all the complex operation of a business. So these systems are used as a general command hub to help automate the business and make the reporting and also decision dijadikan dengan lebih mudah. So an enterprise information system is any kind of information system which is improve the function of the enterprise business process by the integration. This mean macam integration ni maksudnya macam yang saya ni kan tadilah, maknanya dia typically offering high quality of service, they can dealing with large volumes of data, capable to do the integration between one system to other system, capable of supporting some large and possible complex organization and also enterprise. Then this enterprise information system must be able to be used by all parts of all levels of the enterprise. Jadi this apa kata this is the 10 ways enterprise system affect the business. Okay, maknanya dia membantulah macam yang kita kata tadi related to the storage, berkenaan dengan the automate the customer service process for the employee, the skill iaitu kata up and down as needed, to maximize the reliability of IT infrastructures, secure the customers data dan sebagainya. It is also the real-time access to the information. It reduces the cost of doing business. They can standardize the process. They can keep it the consistency of the brand. It also can improve the supply chain management and also ensure regulatory compliance. This is the framework actually sebenarnya. Dia menunjukkan macam mana the relationship between this enterprise system yang melibatkan the business process, whereas dalam this enterprise system, of course dekat situ involve the macam tadi saya kata ada for the promotion, sales and marketing, ada human resource department, ada finance, ada accounting, manufacturing, production dan sebagainya. Dekat sini berlakunya all this business process. Dia maknanya dia akan keep it all the data dan sebagainya. So this system actually they come from the vendors tapi digunakan oleh organisation in order for them to to give the best services to their customers ataupun to their clients. And then tadi kan kita ada mention the DAM enterprise ni sebenarnya dia memang nak bantu the stakeholders internal ataupun external. Jadi an enterprise DAM provides a range of business benefits for various teams and departments in the organisation. Contohnya dekat sini kalau macam yang saya mention just now, we do have dalam sebuah organisasi tu kita ada marketing director, kita ada brand managers, kita ada content creators and project managers. We do have the production department, ada dia punya social media managers, ada sales representative. Ada sales representative and channel partners and also IT department. These are all the orang kata the stakeholders that kata memainkan peranan dalam this DAM enterprise. This is the orang kata reference enterprise architecture. Kalau you lihat dekat dalam ni, all things yang kita mention just now, contohnya macam the analytics berkenaan dengan the marketing, berkenaan dengan the DAM itself, semuanya orang kata berkaitan. Dekat kalau you lihat at the bottom, the Enterprise Data Foundation, dekat sini kita ada master product and customer data, analytics and also business intelligence. Whereas it is helps to come up with the enterprise data yang mana dia akan menggunakan varieties of platform yang mana the enterprise data ni referring to the content and engagement of the management. Kita ada DAM untuk manage image and video. Okay, kita ada WCM, manage web content and customer experience. Kita ada marketing automation yang it helps in managing emails and social campaign. And we do have the social engagement to connecting and engage with the social media and also the society especially. Okay. And we do have the major marketing technology platform yang mana dekat sini berlakunya marketing automation, digital asset management, web content management and social media engagement to manage content and also the engagement. Beside Ni kita ada prototypical marketing and sales services. This is related to the e-commerce, online video platform, content delivery network dan sebagainya. And then we do have the major channels such as mobile device, websites, and kiosks or touch point through which consumer access marketing and the sale service. And then of course lah, kalau ni major channel tu such as mobile device, website, kiosk, they are the presentation layers ataupun touch point through which consumer access marketing and sales service. Okay. Okay, this framework shows the where does them fit in the enterprise. Jadi dekat sini kalau kita lihat dia ada few layers yang orang kata yang mana dekat situ kita can see the enterprise system. And then kita boleh lihat the upstream of the content, maknanya all the sumber-sumber yang ada tu. And then it's going to orang kata disalurkan kepada content hub, whereas dekat sini ada DAM, there is a digital right management, dia ada user, create, manage, collaborate, search, download and share dekat situ. And then they are going to be filters and publish kepada the end user dekat situ, the downstream touch point, sama ada dekat website, dekat e-commerce, dekat social media, dekat dekat orang kata ada dekat CRM, which is the customer relationship manager. Customer relationship manager ni, CRM ni actually is a technology for managing all your company's relationship and also interaction with customers and potential customers. So the goals is very simple, actually is to improve the business relationship. So this CRM system helps companies to stay connected to customers, streamline the process and improve profitability. Okay, nampak tak dekat situ dia peranan of the CRM. Okay, next we are talking about the digital asset management for enterprise intranet. This is the kata where the process tu berlaku, the flow lah sebenarnya. It start with the media creation. Siapakah? These are all the departmentals ataupun the individuals or the organizations yang orang kata bertanggungjawab in the media creation. So all these things akan dihantar kepada satu enterprise enterprise digital asset management yang orang kata consist of varieties of the digital asset, and all these things can be pulled out ataupun can be retrieved, can be shared to few to variety types of channels. Untuk orang kata for pelbagai intention. Jadi kat situ mungkin for the sales atau marketing, untuk orang kata the customer, the CRM dan sebagainya. Okay, you can see the layers ataupun the workflow. It start from the media creation, goes to the digital asset management enterprise, yang mana kalau intranet ni maknanya orang kan boleh access lah daripada dia punya DAM system. Jadi digunakan oleh atas pelbagai tujuan. This is the generic enterprise content management framework. Generic lah yang orang kata. Also still they got the 3 layer dekat situ. You can see the kata dia punya content yang available, yang ada at the organisation. And then kita melihat pula dari segi dia punya apa application yang digunakan for the organisation. It goes for dia punya apa ECM middleware, which is the enterprise content management, iaitu dia extends the concept of content management by adding a timeline for each content item and possibly enforcing the process. Dekat sini dia berlaku dia kata the control lah, the enterprise content management ni di sini berlakunya the filters, the controlling, the whatever access kepada bahan tersebut sebelum ianya being published and can be pulled out to other sistem macam contohnya untuk sama ada nak pergi ke digital asset management ke, dia masuk kat record management ke, e-commerce dan sebagainya. These are also example for system component produce faster cycle time and cost reduction for a major launch. Jadi kat sini orang kata they are few layers sebenarnya. It start with the marketing, resource, producer kat sini yang kata berkaitan dengan semua bahan-bahan yang berkenaan dengan brands and marketing management. Kemudian when kita lihat dia dekat situ ada dia punya asset inventory, yang mana pada asset inventory ni kita akan melihat kepada digital asset repository, iaitu the version control related berkenaan dengan all the asset dekat situ. And then we look at the enterprise content management, iaitu ECM ni berkenaan dengan the storage, the security, the safetyness, the business rules, the workflow yang ada, the collaboration of the content management, whether can be integrated with other system or not, semuanya akan berlaku pada IT infrastructure. And then dia akan go for the media service, iaitu sama ada dia nak pergi ke dokumen ke, grafik ke, e-commerce ke, portal, collaboration, webinar, video dan sebagainya. Baru benda tu being publish. Okay, jadi actually this enterprise DAM sebenarnya it helps in the faster cycle time, they increase the productivity, improve the access, which is dia banyak membantu lah orang kata dari segi the retrievals of the asset. Okay. Normally kalau kita lihat for the enterprise DAM ni, dia punya features lah. It is asset storage. DAM ni is a system of software and technology that allows the organisation to store, manage, organize and retrieve digital asset. Jadi ada banyak asset dekat situ ya, ataupun things or materials yang mereka akan sort out. Scalability, designed to scalable, allowing organization to add user, features and content as their needs change. Okay, then of course it is automation lah, ada security. Paling penting, it must have the integration between the other system. Kalau tak boleh integrate, tak guna juga, sebab macam dia work alone, dia stand alone. Jadi when you nak gunakan bahan tersebut, you cannot drag out ataupun pull out the data. Jadi benda tu tak orang kata tak useful, hanya untuk storage sahaja. Yang paling bagus if the integration ni, maksudnya macam dia dia boleh integrate with other systems such as macam contoh enterprise resource planning, customer relationship management dengan enterprise content management system. Dia allows organization to manage their digital asset in a unified way. Sebabnya bila ada integration, this them ni dia orang kata lebih menarik lah, lebih useful instead of kalau the system to stand alone. Okay.